I invite you to relax, breathe deeply, and feel a sense of peace and tranquility come over you. Hello, and welcome to JMB Living, joyful, mindful, balanced living. I'm Julie Barlow, your host here, and if you're looking for ways to improve your well-being, you've come to the right place. I've been leading people to find more joy for over 20 years now as a personal coach, yoga instructor, and leader of international wellness retreats. After years of heartbreaks, financial difficulties, health challenges, and more, I learned tools that help me recreate a life I now love. I am passionate about helping others overcome their own challenges, live more intentionally, and find more moments of happiness each and every day. On this channel, I lead guided journaling experiences to access your own inner wisdom for change. I share methods for dealing with stress, anxiety, relationship challenges, and more. And I encourage you to slow down, live in harmony with the seasons, and find time to nurture you. I am so glad you're here, and I hope that you will join me on this journey.